Today we are going to solve the main problem which we occur in Samsung smartphone after installation of games. The games icons are not displayed in the home screen. To solve this problem, you have to go to the search bar, and in the search bar you have to type here game, and you have to select this gaming hub, and you have to tap onto this three dots, then go to settings, and after this click on show game apps, and you have to select this in gaming hubs and the home and app screen, and you have to go back. Then after this you can see the apps, so all the games apps are displayed here.